20 animals and their benefits. Cow, a domesticated animal found on farms and homes. It provides us with milk, which is used to make butter, yogurt, and cheese. Hen, a common farm bird that lays eggs and provides meat. Eggs are highly nutritious and beneficial for health. Goat, a farm animal that is often kept in villages. It gives us milk, which is used for making cheese, and its meat is also eaten. Sheep, a woolly animal that provides wool, which is used to make warm clothes. It also provides meat. Horse, a strong and fast-running animal used for riding, racing, and carrying loads. Camel, found in desert areas. It is known as the ship of the desert. It provides milk and is used for transportation. Buffalo, a domestic animal that gives milk, which is commonly used for making dairy products like butter and yogurt. Donkey, a hard-working animal that helps in carrying heavy loads, especially in villages and hilly areas. Duck, a water bird that lays eggs and provides meat. Its eggs are rich in nutrients. Pigeon, a domestic bird that was used in ancient times for sending messages. Nowadays, it is kept as a pet. Dog, a loyal and intelligent animal that guards homes and is also used in police and security services. Cat, a pet animal that helps control mice in homes and is loved for its playful nature. Fish, found in water. It provides healthy food rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Bee, a small insect that produces honey, which has medicinal and nutritional benefits. Rabbit, a small and cute animal whose fur is used in making warm clothes. It is also kept as a pet. Parrot, a colorful bird that can mimic human speech. It is often kept as a pet for entertainment. Frog, a small amphibian that helps control insect populations by eating pests. Yak, a strong animal found in cold mountainous regions. It provides milk, wool, and is used for transportation. Thanks for watching.